2, 1, go, go, paddle as fast as you can. All right, let's see. It looks like the fridge is a little ahead here, but it's really close. Let's see if the SS Comet can make a surge. Let's go, guys. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Oh, big capsize for the SS Comet. All right, swim, guys, swim. All right, and it looks like it's going to be a win for the fridge here. Despite being named after a rectangle, it looks like they went pretty fast through the water. All right, let's have Team LeBron James in lane 2 and the Cooker in lane 1. All right, guys, LeBron James in lane 2 and the Cooker in lane 1.